Hey mommies, welcome to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I'm sharing my easy evening cleaning routine. My husband works late into the night, so it's just me and my 3 kiddos most of the time. So anything I do, I try to keep it very simple. I start my cleaning routine before dinner. That way it makes cleaning up after dinner very easy. I start by turning the bed down for the night. I find it comforting by doing this. I'm not sure why, but it's a habit.
Set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay.
After that's done, I start cooking dinner, and on this night, since it was just us, I made an easy spaghetti dinner. And one way I keep the after dinner cleanup short is by cleaning as I go. So for example, any ingredients I take out, I make sure I put it away right after I use it. And on this particular day, we had mac and cheese for lunch, so I didn't get around to doing the dishes right away. But I'm soaking them in warm water before I put them into the dishwasher. And I know it's kind of redundant, but to be honest, I think I'm going to go back to hand washing my dishes. I just find it easier, and quite honestly, it's kind of therapeutic to me. Let me know in the comments below if you can relate also. And if you've watched my last Clean With Me video, you might recognize my daughter. She loves the camera. And you'll notice that I had to stop real quick because my little guy enjoys climbing into everything, and the dishwasher door was no exception on this evening. And here's a new face. This is my oldest. He's another one who isn't shy about the camera. You'll see that in a minute. One of his household chores is to set the table, so that's what he's doing here.
I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you.
And now that the kitchen is caught up and dinner is cooling, we take a few minutes to do a 5-minute sweep through the living room. Throughout the day, the kids will bring down toys from their room, so we are just clearing some of the toys that weren't being played with at that moment and moving them to the landing. And do you recognize a new face? That's my 1-year-old, and yes, he has his hair in a man bun. I can't bring myself to cut his long hair just yet. And here's my son moving all the toys from the landing to the kids' room. And since there were a lot of small items, he uses the landing basket to corral everything so that it's easier to carry it all. Okay, see? I told you he isn't camera shy. We'll consider this his formal introduction. And since we just finished dinner, I'm going to go ahead and load the dishwasher a final time with our dinner plates and some cookware. I didn't soak these or pre-wash these items because we had just used them and nothing was caked on. And since my husband works late, what I'm doing here is I'm making him a plate, in which I always do. So I'll go ahead and make him a plate and put it in the fridge for whenever he comes home. Now I'm storing the rest away in my glass Pyrex containers. I find these containers really easy to work with, especially with storing anything that'll stay in the container. My mom actually gifted these to me 2 Christmases ago, and surprisingly, I still have all of them and their lids. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and hand wash my pots and pans, because even though it is dishwasher safe, I still find that it'll strip off some of the coating inside the pan. So yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and hand wash these. Now I'm just rinsing off my sponge, and I'm going to go ahead and prep my sink for scrubbing. You'll notice in a little bit I'm using my little dishwasher hand scrubber, I guess you would say. I found it at Target, and I think Gain makes this. So yeah, this has been a total game changer when it comes to cleaning the sink. It's the perfect sink cleaning tool for everyday use, I think. And I still use my Barkeeper's Friend, but on the days that I just want to quickly wash the sink, this is what I use. And this is my favorite part, where I get to use my Caldrea all-purpose spray to wipe the counters. I just have the all-purpose spray in a Target Dollar Spot spray bottle that I got maybe a month or 2 ago. Anyway, I'm in love with this scent. It's the Pear Blossom Agave scent, and it leaves your kitchen smelling very nice, and the scent lingers for a while. I ordered a big bottle of the Caldrea concentrate from Grove Collaborative, and I diluted it with water. And I'm going to use this spray to wipe the counters, stovetop, and microwave. I'm also going to light a candle. It's the lemon mint, I forget the exact scent, but anyway, it's from Bath & Body Works, and I love the smell of this, especially after dinner. It just takes away all of the cooking smell, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the counters and have that candle burning in the background. Now moving to wiping the table, I'm using the Method Granite Top Spray. And I've tried different sprays, but I always come back to this one. I purchased this from Target, and I love the way it smells and how shiny it leaves my table. And this is a new product that I'm loving. This is also from the Grove Collaborative site. It is the Aunt Fanny's Clean Vinegar Spray in the Eucalyptus scent. And I use this to clean my son's walker. Although he is fully walking and we do have a clip-on high chair at the table, but I've noticed he prefers to eat out of this chair. And also this is the chair that he will not climb out of. So yeah. Isn't she adorable? I believe in this clip she is saying, "Hi guys." Now I'm going to actually start cleaning my stainless steel appliances, and that's my fridge and dishwasher. These collect the most fingerprints, I've noticed, so I'm going to go ahead and use my Weiman stainless steel cleaner to clean the fridge. And these are the two primary areas, like I said before, that collect fingerprints, and if you have little ones, you know what I mean.
So bright I can see the lights taking you up and above the blue sky. Tastes good to be drinking all of the honey sweet brew of ours. Up in a painted cup, right in the sky like a firefly. Like a firefly. I believe to believe is to feel the fire grow within.
And since we had spaghetti this night, I found it easier to use my vacuum to pick up the little spaghetti particles. And I recently upgraded to this new vacuum. I purchased it from Costco and I believe it was around like maybe $160. It's a Shark Deluxe Pro, and I'll link this exact same one down below for you guys. And so far I'm loving it. It's so light and compact, and for the price point, I think it's an awesome vacuum. And since the kiddos eat snacks at the coffee table, I always make it a point to wipe it down because of crumbs and sticky fingers.
I believe to believe is to feel the fire grow within. I believe to believe is to see how the present comes from dreams. Color in my love, love, love.
Editing this clip, I noticed how sneaky she was being with hiding her chips. Also, I had to leave the clip in of my two boys. You'll see in a minute. I just love how much my oldest cares for his little brother, and you'll notice that some toys made their way back downstairs, and since they were in relaxing mode, I just vacuumed around them.
Color in my love, love, love. Up in the painted cup, I pour my love from a color in my love, love, love. It's good to be drinking all of the hot and sweet. Color in my love, love, love. Up in the painted cup, I pour my love from color in my love, love. hollering, my love, my love, my love.
This concludes my simple evening cleaning routine. It seems like a lot, but if I start the routine early enough, cleaning literally only takes about 15 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!